Another day, another food vlog na naman tayo mga millennials. Today's video, Indian foods ang bida. Indian food is a famous worldwide rich flavors, colorful presentation, and use of aromatic spices. Here at Krishna's Place Indian Restaurant, located at 109 Helrick Building, Raymond Street, Fields Avenue, Angeles City, Pampanga. So paano mga millennials? Let's G!
Samosa.
Samosa is one of the most loved Indian snacks. Crispy, golden, and bursting with flavor.
Awesome.
Pani puri is a small round and a crunchy shells. Spice filling is usually a mashed potato, chickpeas, or sprouts. Pani puri is the ultimate Indian street food experience in one crunchy bite. Tikman naman natin ang kanilang garlic naan matched with chicken curry. Puri is a classic Indian bread, fluffy and golden when fried. Butter chicken is a creamy, mild spice curry. Chicken biryani is a royal Indian rice dish, rich in aroma, flavor, and tradition.
Awesome. Sweet lassi.
Sweet lassi is a traditional Indian yogurt. Very friendly ang staff dito sa Krishna's Place. So what are you waiting for mga millennials? Like and follow nyo ang kanilang Facebook page and try their foods here. Love, love, love!